Welcome back to TechXplorer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the iQOO Z10 Turbo, a smartphone designed for power users. With a stunning 6.78-inch OLED display boasting a 144Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, the Snapdragon 8's Elite processor for blazing fast performance. A massive 7000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging and a 50MP dual camera setup. This device promises to deliver on all fronts. But does it truly live up to the hype, or is it just another mid-range contender? Stick around as we dive into its design, performance, display, cameras, and battery life to find out. The iQOO Z10 Turbo is a hitter now with its premium build and bold aesthetics. The device features a matte glass back with a metallic frame, giving it a high-end feel. The sleek profile is just 8.9mm thick, which is impressive considering the massive battery inside. Weighing around 215 grams, it's slightly on the heavier side, but the curved edges make it comfortable to hold. Available in Titan Black and Arctic Blue, the phone caters to both minimalist and vibrant tastes. Despite its affordable price point, the design screams flagship, and it's sure to grab attention wherever you go. Let's talk about one of the standout features of the iQOO Z10 Turbo, its 6.78-inch OLED display. This isn't just any display. It boasts a 144Hz refresh rate, offering buttery smooth scrolling and an edge in gaming. With a resolution of 2800 x 1260 pixels, 1.5K, you're getting sharp details and vivid colors. The HDR10 Plus support enhances your viewing experience with deep blacks and punchy contrasts, perfect for streaming your favorite movies or playing graphically intense games. The display also reaches a peak brightness of 1300 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the Z10 Turbo delivers an immersive visual experience that's hard to beat in this price range. Under the hood, the iQOO Z10 Turbo is powered by the Snapdragon 8's Elite processor, a high-performance chipset designed for demanding users. Built on a 4nm architecture, it offers excellent efficiency and performance for everything from multitasking to gaming. The phone comes with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which can be virtually expanded by an additional 8GB, thanks to iQOO's RAM expansion technology. With 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage, you also get super fast read and write speeds for apps and files. For gamers, the Adreno 730 GPU ensures smooth frame rates even in titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and PUBG. Combined with iQOO's liquid cooling system, the device remains cool during extended gaming sessions, making it a reliable companion for gamers on the go. The iQOO Z10 Turbo features an enormous 7000 mAh battery, one of the largest capacities in its class. This means you can easily get to days of moderate use or an entire day of heavy usage, including gaming, streaming, and multitasking. When it's time to recharge, the 80W fast charging ensures you're back up and running in no time. The phone charges from 0 to 50% in just 25 minutes and reaches full charge in under an hour. This combination of massive battery life and fast charging makes the Z10 Turbo a powerhouse for users who are always on the move. While the iQOO Z10 Turbo is focused on performance, it doesn't skimp on photography. The device features a 50MP dual camera setup, which includes a 50MP primary sensor with advanced AI features and a 2MP depth sensor. The primary camera delivers sharp and vibrant photos with great dynamic range. Whether it's daylight or low light, The AI-powered night mode ensures bright and clear images in challenging conditions. The phone also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, offering smooth and detailed footage for content creators. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera ensures clear and natural-looking selfies with features like portrait mode and beauty filters. The iQOO Z10 Turbo runs on FunTouch OS 14, based on Android 14, delivering a smooth and user-friendly experience. The software comes packed with useful features like Ultra Game Mode, which optimizes performance during gaming sessions, and Multi-Turbo 6.0, which boosts system performance for multitasking. In terms of security, you get an in-display fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock, both of which are fast and reliable. With 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 6, the Z10 Turbo ensures you're future-proofed when it comes to connectivity. The iQOO Z10 Turbo is priced at $449, making it a strong contender in the mid-range segment. Competing with devices like the Poco F7 and Realme GT Neo 6, it holds its own with its massive battery, 144Hz OLED display, and high-end Snapdragon processor. While it may lack features like a triple camera setup or wireless charging, the Z10 Turbo more than makes up for it with its incredible battery life, smooth performance, and immersive display. So, is the iQOO Z10 Turbo worth your money? If you're looking for a smartphone with amazing battery life, flagship-level performance, and a buttery-smooth display, it's hard to go wrong with this one. Whether you're a gamer, a heavy multitasker, or someone who needs a phone that can keep up with your lifestyle, the Z10 Turbo ticks all the right boxes. What do you think of the iQOO Z10 Turbo? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.